Welcome to my channel. I will explain in this video how to install a cooling tower gearbox and how to alignment the fan blades. Gearbox input shaft coupling installation. First insert the key into the gearbox input shaft keyway. Now install the input shaft coupling on the gearbox shaft. Make sure the key is properly seated inside the keyway. To rotate the gearbox output shaft, to confirm the gearbox rotating is freely. Install the gearbox output shaft hub. Remove the hub locking bolt and washer. Remove the hub key and clean the output shaft with smooth emery paper. Insert the key into the gearbox output shaft keyway. Now carefully insert the hub onto the gearbox output shaft. This hub is the center part where the cooling tower blades are fixed. The hub is holding the blades. Gearbox mounting on cooling tower base. Lift the gearbox carefully using proper lifting tools. Place the gearbox on the cooling tower base frame. After positioning the hub correctly, tighten the locking bolt and washer securely. Insert the gearbox foundation bolts and tighten them properly. To tight the all base bolts are normal tight. Now use a spirit level to check the flatness of the gearbox. Place the spirit level horizontally on the hub top side. Using a spirit level to check the gearbox base is up or down. Unscrew the gearbox base bolts. Insert the sim to lift the gearbox upside. After adding the sim, all base bolts are tight in opposite direction. After completing the base bolt tights, again check the spirit level to base or proper leveling. By using a spirit level to check the north and south, east and west. Both two sides check proper leveling. After proper leveling, tighten the up locking bolt and washer. Now we will check the alignment using the straight edge method or line dory method. Place a line dory straight edge across the outer diameter of the both coupling hubs. Check at the four positions: 12 o'clock top, 6 o'clock bottom, 9 o'clock left side, 3 o'clock right side. If there is any gap between the straight edge and coupling, it indicates the misalignment. Adjust the motor position horizontally and vertically until the gap is removed. This method checks for parallel misalignment. Insert the motor coupling bushes safely. To insert the all four bushes in the coupling, now connect the coupling shaft. Match the gearbox coupling marking with the coupling shaft marking. To match the gearbox coupling and coupling shaft coupling, both bolts are matched. Also match the motor coupling marking correctly. After proper alignment and matching, tighten the all coupling bolts securely. Final check the all bolts are tightened properly. To tight the gearbox side coupling gum screw. The dial gauge alignment is very difficult to take a laser alignment. After completing the laser alignment, next alignment the blade angle set. After completing the laser alignment, after set the blade angle. The blade angle means the tilt of the fan blade is from horizontal position. The low angle is less airflow and low motor load. High angle is more airflow and high motor load. The blade rotating clockwise direction. The blade tilt angle is clockwise side. The normally cooling tower fan blade angle is 10° to 18° small cooling tower, 14° to 22° large industrial tower. Depends upon cooling tower specifications, angle set point. In this cooling tower blade angle set 12°. Set point the bevel protector is 12°. The blade end to 100 mm backside, put it the bevel protector. Loosen the blade holding up U-clamp nuts. Bevel protector set point 12 degree. Tube level is center the angle. Tight the blade holding up U-clamp bolts. The all blades are set at an angle same 12 degree. To connect the oil line to fill the oil in the gearbox. After completing the alignment to run the cooling tower fan. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like and share.